really hope that this works a lot. Bro, my bike sounds so bad. Um, so just give me a minute. I don't see chat right now, so I quickly pulled up on my phone. Alright, hold on. Alright, I am currently trying to work on something. Something is not working. I don't know why. Okay, come on. Alright. Oh, okay, there we go. We are doing a pack opening, and I put in a buy order for a card in this. See chat right now. So guys, just give me a second. Bro, this mic is so bad. It so bad. Alright. And this is gonna be the first YouTube video ever too. So I'm gonna go be back through this and editing this. So, I put in a buy order for a new card in the game. I put in a buy order for this Jake Arrieta. So, I'm gonna wait and see. Put in a buy order. I don't remember how much I put in. But yeah. I'm waiting to see if I get that. I put in a buy order. But we have a bunch of packs. So I'm gonna start off this mural pack first. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna finish the collection, so I might as well keep them. Habit. I'm gonna sell you. Alright, 50 packs. Here we go. Tigers uniform, so nothing. Boom, nothing. Boom, Bregman. Gregory Soto, how is he doing? No clue. Rep this one. Boom. Oh, Hunter Goodman. Stop since I put in that buy order. Alright. Nobody. Sell that one without uniform. Nothing. And nothing. Nothing again. Nothing again. Nothing. Bro, I got all free agents injured. It's crazy. Nothing. So you. Sell that. Alright. Gabe Spider, I'm gonna sell you. Put in a buy order for a Jake Arrieta, so hopefully. What is this? Oh, uniform sell. Yo, why is he so high? You know what? Sure, whatever. Sell to the highest bidder, bro. Like what? Probably because of the roster update, so. Nothing. Nothing. And I know this is gonna be the first YouTube video, so like and subscribe. I'm gonna upload the stream bot after I'm done. Download it and edit some of it. Edit certain parts out. Oops. That. Probably not. Okay, Kevin Gosman selling you right now. Jorge Soler, I'm gonna sell you. Boom, nobody still, wow. No diamonds, and that's the only diamond we got was the uniforms. Got a gold. Rockies road uniforms. Gold. Pete Alonso. Matt Warner, I've seen him pitch before. Nobody again. 19 more to go. I'll sell you on you, you're high. Oh, Stadium, I don't really care about that. Altuve, I'll keep Altuve. Contreras, so maybe I should cap on Contreras. I think you might get like maybe one or two. Okay, no. Bro, not this stupid telemarketer. Stop. This is the first video what's going on YouTube, by the way. I found the way to upload the stream VODs. Watch the video. So first YouTube video what's going on. First stream what's going on YouTube. I know, I gotta figure out that. I'm trying to figure stuff out still. Yeah, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna watch like more YouTube videos about this later. I'm pretty sure the way I have to do it is I won't be able to see it, but it will only be pop up on my computer. Bro, I have not got anything. Straight dog shit. I'm gonna be editing. I'm gonna edit the video though. Edit parts out. Bro, come on. Actually give me something decent. Bro, all I got was 2 diamonds into the stadium shirt. Bro, there's no way. Come on. Bro, nothing. Are you kidding me? The last one, come on. Bro. Alright, up to the chase pack. We are looking for Carlos Santana. Here we go. Purple, and we have Fernando Tatis. That's how I'm playing real life. Bro, are you kidding me? We didn't pull Fernando. I have put in a buy order though. For this Jake Arrieta. I put in a buy order for him. So hopefully somebody accepts my buy order. Hopefully somebody accepts my buy order for Jake Arrieta. Because I put a buy order in for this Jake Arrieta. I don't remember how much I put in, but I hope I get him. Put in a buy order, so your invite's not popping up on my screen. I mean on my Xbox thing. There we go. Reset your Xbox, it's not popping up for me. Go off, sure, why not? Your invites are not popping up on my fucking screen. Hold on. Your shit's not working. Bro, I might have to restart. Alright. I have to restart stream. Because, well, I guess I'll post this on YouTube. Just this. Because right as I'm gonna reset my Xbox. Because it's being funky, so